Alpha 1316. You are cleared to Golf Papa Delta Fire.
Ground. Request startup.
Startup approved. Report when ready to taxi.
Startup approved. Call you back when ready to taxi.
Ground. Bravo Alpha 131.
Ground. Request pushback.
Pushback approved at own discretion.
Echo Yankee 17. Ground. Landed at 40. Report runway vacated. Ground. Echo Yankee 17. Runway vacated. Request taxi to gate. Echo Yankee 17. Continue taxi to gate. Ground. Sierra Kilo 1516. Request startup. Sierra Kilo.
Cabin crew. Prepare doors for departure and cross check.
Ground. Alpha 31. Request startup. Alpha 31. Startup.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. If you haven't already done so, please stow your carry-on luggage underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt, and also make sure your seat back and folding trays are in their full upright position. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, please read carefully the special instructions card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in the event of an emergency, please ask a flight attendant to reseat you. We remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is prohibited on the entire aircraft, including the lavatories. Tampering with, disabling or destroying the lavatory smoke detectors is prohibited by law. If you have any questions about our flight today, please don't hesitate to ask one of our flight attendants. Thank you.
Request taxi. Bravo Alpha 1316. Taxi to holding point runway 09 right.
Request taxi. Ground. Request taxi.
Taxi to holding point runway 09 right.
Roger. Taxi to holding point runway 09 right.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the crew we request your full attention as the flight attendants demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Take a minute to locate the exit closest to you. Note that the nearest exit may be behind you. Count the number of rows to this exit. Should the cabin experience sudden pressure loss, stay calm and listen for instructions from the cabin crew. Oxygen masks will drop down from above your seat. Place the mask over your mouth and nose, like this. Pull the strap to tighten it. If you are traveling with children, make sure that your own mask is on first before helping your children. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing and evacuation, leave your carry-on items behind. Life rafts are located below your seats and emergency lighting will lead you to your closest exit and slide. We ask that you make sure that all carry-on luggage is stowed away safely during the flight. While we wait for takeoff, please take a moment to review the safety data card in the seat pocket in front of you. Ladies and gentlemen, This is your chief flight attendant. On behalf of our captain and the entire crew, welcome aboard. At this time, make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright position and that your seatbelt is correctly fastened. Also, your portable electronic devices must be set to airplane mode until an announcement is made upon arrival. Thank you.
Ground, good day.
Good day, go ahead.
At parking, information. Lima, read to copy.
Departure runway 09 right, 4,000 feet. Contact when ready to start.
Departure runway 09 right, 4,000 feet. When ready to start.
Redback is correct. Information, Lima at 1749 Zulu. Departure runway 09 right. Transition level 70. Wind 06 degrees 0 knots. Broken at 6,600 feet. Temperature 20. Dew point 16. QNH 1014.
Delta Sierra 25, startup approved. Report when ready to taxi. Welcome.
Ground, holding point runway, 09, right.
Contact tower on 118.500.
Roger. Contact tower on 118.500.
Request taxi. Delta Sierra 25, taxi to holding point 09 right.
Request taxi. India Bravo 3167. Taxi to holding point runway 09 right.
Request taxi. Alpha 66, taxi to holding point runway 09 right.
Tower, good day. Holding point runway, 09 right. Ready for departure.
Wind 063 degrees 0 knots. Clear for takeoff runway 09 right. Report leaving 3,000 feet.
Clear for takeoff runway, 09 right. Call you back passing 3,000 feet.
Clear to land runway 09 left. Clear to land runway 09 left.
We are now ready for takeoff. Please make sure your seatbelts are fastened and all baggage is secured underneath your seat or in the overhead compartments. We also ask that your seats and table trays are in the upright position for takeoff. Please switch to airplane mode or personal electronic devices, including laptops and cell phones. Enjoy your flight.
Positive rate.
Tower, Bravo Alpha 1466, ready for departure runway 09